Hi, it's Zach and Joey here. We're really excited to bring you today's deal on the CleanEase microfiber gloves. This is a much better way to clean than traditional cloths.
Yes, the entire glove, all the way from the palm to the fingertips, is made of microfiber. So you can wipe, dry, dust, and scrub with the full force and flexibility of your hand.
Now the reason microfiber is so great is because it's tough on messes, it's super absorbent, it picks up dust and dirt, but it's super gentle on all of your surfaces, so it's not going to scratch or scruff them, and it's streak free.
And these gloves are so handy because they let you access all those hard to reach areas like fixtures and around faucets or inside wheel wells. These gloves are great for dusting your car. I like to keep one in my glove box and I use it to wipe down my dashboard or get in between the crevices in my seats and my center console. I like to get the crumbs and coffee stains out of my cup holders, and I don't even need to use water.
Yeah, it is an essential tool for detailing the inside of your car. And the other cool thing about this is that you can use it virtually anywhere else. Think about it. You can use it on your glass, on your windows. You can use it in between blinds where cloth is almost virtually impossible to get in between those blinds. This makes it super easy. And the great thing about this is that each one of them actually has a waterproof liner in it, which is going to keep your hands dry and away from all those harmful chemicals or the bacteria that you're picking up.
That's right, I love to use these when I'm washing dishes. It lets me get all that old crusty food off of the plates, and it's a glove, so I never have to get my hands wet or touch a nasty sponge.
Now, the removable liner is actually a rubber glove which you can use on its own to protect your hand from harmful chemicals when you're scrubbing down the bathroom.
You can use these gloves with any ordinary household cleaner or just plain water because the microfiber is so effective.
Yeah, now with this deal, you're actually going to get a pair, one for each hand. They're one size fits most. They even fit my big hands. And the other great thing is that you're actually going to save more when you buy more, which is great because you might want to keep a pair in your car and another pair in your house. We have a fantastic deal, so head on over to the site and grab one or two pairs today.